You can almost hear that the sound is pumped in, but this thing is completely stuck. So what can you expect? But this thing rips, guys. It really does rip. I'm gonna do one more. So I'll turn her around, but let me kill the light here so that we're not looking very suspicious. Right here, I'm gonna turn her around, and then a couple of more pulls, and we'll wrap it up. These brakes are cooked. These brakes are so cooked. Alright, let's go through the light. She is very fast, guys. Very, very fast. See if I can give you some downshift sounds. Oof, that sounds so good. Alright, so one more pull, guys, and we're gonna wrap this up before we ran out of luck. Yes, sir. Put the little light on. We're gonna go back to civilian driving. Let's put it in auto. Alright, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked this little video. If you want my opinion on the car itself, is it a good daily? No, never. I would much rather have a X3 M50 or the G65 series as a daily compared to this car. Hell, I mean, even M340 or 440. But to me, even the 340s and 440s, newer gens, are pretty stiff, and this thing is extremely stiff. But is it fun in the canyon roads? Sure is. But as a daily, no, guys. This thing is crazy for a daily. So we're gonna park her and call it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope to see you in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel. More BMW content to come. Peace out till the next one.